Ginimbal mo na naman yung social media nung ikaw yung lumabas. Ano sa palagay mo? Kasi hindi rin naman positive yung mga nakukuha natin. Meron din ako mga nabasa-basa na negative comments. I think Kaylin daw, stop na. Kaylin doesn't have to prove anything. Kaylin is a very universal woman. Kaylin is babae. Na ano ba kailangan pang i-prove ni Kaylin?
Wala. Kailangan lang ni Kaylin mag-enjoy. At lahat ng candidate dito, hindi naman nandito para lumabat, para manalo or whatever. We're here to enjoy and have the best time for life. Pageantry is not just about winning. It's not about the cash prize. It's about the fun, the enjoyment, the value, the entertainment of it all. And I'm an entertainer. I was born to be an entertainer. So I'm here to entertain and just give you a good show.
Nagpak na kayo. Ano yung technique natin na gagawin? So sabi mo kanina, MGI is baklaan. So, super, super aurahan na talaga.
Aurahan, puksaan, malalaan, outfitted. Like, look at nyo naman ngayon, iba na.
Ganda.
This is a different level of Kaylin. A much more sensual, daring, extravagant, maximalist. It's a mix of drag race and beauty queen. So, good luck.
So yung baklaan, how is it that they'll be competing with one of the Filipino trans
I'm
icons?
excited kasi we're friends, di ba? Remember when she was joining Bench Body of Work and she was in Bench. She was new to the game in Manila, doing that, joining the female categories as well. And I'm happy that she's doing it. Actually, I was one of the people who was encouraging her to try Century, to do the things that I've done. Kasi sabi ko, it's a different ball game. And it's nice that my legacy and my work is being, repelled by other queens because they also deserve, diba? If they wanted to try. It's all about trying and, not always succeeding, but just trying and enjoying and having that moment for yourself. And I'm so proud and happy for her. And I'm excited to do this journey with her.
Are you now training?
I'm doing a lot of training sessions since November with Mommy Shandy and soon with my friend CJ. CJ and I have been friends for a long time. She was actually my trainer when I went back to pageantry during the Century, so Canvas Official. So it's gonna be a mix of Mommy Shandy and CJ, and of course with the aid of ALV, Sir Arnold, Mommy Ethan, and the mamas, and the biggest designers that you've known in pageantry in the Philippines. We're gonna give it our all.
And a message to all the Filipino people, especially to the LGBT community, na ginimbal mo nang ikaw, ginimbal at naloka sila, syempre, Kaylin.
Thank you. Sa lahat ng aking mga sisters dyan at mga brothers in the community, tayo po ay panahon na para magkapit-bisig. Hindi naman po kami magpupuksaan ni Fuchsia dito or ng ating komunidad. Kami po ay magtutulungan. Kami po ay masaya na maging prideful na ipaglaban ng Pilipinas sa first ever edition of the Miss Grand International All-Stars. And this is an All-Stars. To be an All-Star, it's to be someone that brings hope, to brings light. We are the brightest stars that you can see upstairs above, and you wish upon a star. And now it's time to wish for Philippines to get the third crown for the Philippines.
Support. Thank you, Kaylin.
Thank you.